I'm Sarah Eckert, Townsend Leather.
And I'm Tricia Martin.
We're sisters. We're third generation family members of Townsend Leather. We wanted to take a moment today to tell you about one of our favorite things we do here at Townsend Leather. One of our favorite things to do is to match our customers' samples to create custom StrikeOffs. We love working with them, getting Pantone references, carpet samples, pieces of fruit, even you name it, and providing our best match in any number of our products. We do about 3,000 to 6,000 custom StrikeOffs a year.
Just want to walk you through what had happened on it. We got an email from a Spanish refurb company looking to do over a corporate jet, and the customer was very inspired by this carpet sample. Wanted to pick up the darker and the lighter shade blues for the upholstery seating. So with a little bit of back and forth, they were able to call out a rail color to us and a Pantone color for the lighter blue color. And give us some direction on what color they'd like to see the seating in. And this was the result. And we did it in a couple different options. They asked for our ever popular classic cow. So that is the most popular aircraft seating, very smooth and supple, really natural graining. It's used quite a bit. But they also wanted to see the same colors done with a very small but natural graining, and this is our Pinnacle cowhide. Blue is definitely coming back this year. I've done a couple of VIP projects where blues are ranging from like a dull gray blue color all the way to sapphires. Sapphires are very popular. Pearlized blues are popular all the way to like a bright royal blue color. So it's definitely fun seeing those colors come through versus typical beige and grays.
And I just noticed we both happen to be wearing blue today ourselves, so I guess we're on trend here.
That's right. One of my favorite colors though. And then again, we did the classic cow in the darker blue and the Pinnacle in the darker blue. And then they wanted something a little more accenty for the seats, and they really liked our Cobra pattern. So we were able to do the valleys of the lighter blue and the tips in the darker blue. And then finally, we did a two-tone version on our Pinnacle cowhide. Again, the valleys being the lighter blue and the tips being the darker blue.
When we do StrikeOffs, we typically send our customer however many pieces they need, which is usually a few 9x9s, but you can see we do very large pieces, sometimes even much larger than this. So we send out to the customer that requested the StrikeOff, the sample, but then we're left with nice large retainer pieces, and we catalog all of those and make them available for when we get custom requests. So these will now be in our sample department library, and if we have additional requests for blue samples, they'll be available to anyone who wants them.